The next topic that we are going to study is your elimination of backtracking. Elimination of backtracking. Now, for that what will happen? The method by which we remove the backtracking is called as left factoring. Okay. Now, for that, see, if the grammar is in the form A tends to alpha beta or alpha gamma, that means starting of both the production will be same, okay, then it is said to be having backtracking. So, how it can be eliminated? Can be rewritten as, if rewritten as, how it will be eliminated? A tends to alpha A dash and A dash tends to beta or gamma. This is the production by which we can eliminate the backtracking. So, again to solve this, what we will do? We will take an example. What is the example? See, S tends to I, C, T, S, I, C, T, S, E, S or A. Now check. And one more production is your C tends to B. Now see, what is the production? If a production is in the form A tends to alpha B or alpha gamma, that alpha beta or alpha gamma, that means these first two terms has to be same in both the productions. Now see, for in this example, here what I am having? We are having ICTS, okay. Same ICTS is here also. So, I can take this as alpha. Then the question comes, what will be the beta? I can take beta as epsilon also, okay. Then if this is alpha, this has to be alpha. So, what is gamma? ES is gamma. A is not in that form, okay. So, how we will solve it? We have to rewrite as A tends to alpha A dash. Now, write what is A? S. S tends to alpha. What is alpha? I, C, T, S. Alpha A dash. I dash means S dash. Then A dash, that means S dash, tends to beta. What is my beta? Epsilon. Or gamma. What is my gamma? ES. So, I can write ES or ES or epsilon, okay. And what is the next production which is not having any backtracking? That is your C tends to B. And here A was there, okay. We can add A over here. Why? Because this was the production for S. Now, this has eliminated your backtracking, okay. So, these are the two methods. Now, what we studied? We studied top down parsing, okay. Top down parsing has two disadvantages. One was left recursion, another was backtracking, okay. Now, once these two are eliminated, then what the grammar that we get or the parser that we get is called as recursive descent parser, okay. That is called as your recursive descent parser. Now, what is the second type of parser that we study in top down parsing? That one is your predictive parser, okay. Before studying your predictive parser, one thing we have to remember, that the grammar for which we will design a predictive parser has to be free from what? Free from your left recursion as well as backtracking, okay. If a question is there where left recursion is there or backtracking is there and we have to construct a predictive parser for it, then what will be the first step? First step will be your, before constructing the predictive parser, first step will be your elimination of left recursion. Second step will be your elimination of backtracking. Then in the next lecture we will study about predictive parser.